In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger using a laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your file, attach it in Messenger, and confirm it's delivered quickly and cleanly. Let's start by getting your PowerPoint ready. Open Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop and make sure your presentation is finalized the way you want it. It's a good idea to give the file a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to find later. Now save it properly. Go to File, choose Save As, pick a location you can get to fast. Your desktop or a dedicated Documents folder works great. And make sure the format is .pptx. That's the modern PowerPoint format, and it usually keeps compatibility and file size in check. If your presentation includes lots of images or videos, consider compressing media inside PowerPoint to help the upload go faster. Next, open Facebook Messenger on your laptop. You can do this in your web browser or by launching the Messenger desktop app if you have it installed. Either option works the same for sending files. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is stable since you'll be uploading a document. Once Messenger is open, navigate to the conversation where you want to send your presentation. This can be an individual chat or a group. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct thread so your file goes to the right person or team. Now attach the PowerPoint file. In the chat window, click the plus icon, the paperclip, or the add file button depending on your version of Messenger. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your presentation, select the .pptx file, and confirm your choice. If your file is on the desktop, it should be right there. If it's large, give Messenger a moment to prepare it. Keeping the file name descriptive helps your recipient recognize it immediately. You're ready to send, click send to start the upload. While it's uploading, avoid closing the window or putting your laptop to sleep. Upload time will depend on your connection and file size, so be patient, this is normal. Finally, confirm that it was delivered. Watch for the upload to finish, then look for the delivery indicator in Messenger, typically a check mark or a delivered status. You may also see a scene indicator when the recipient opens it. If you want extra peace of mind, you can follow up with a quick message asking them to confirm they can open the file. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tips and step-by-step tutorials.